Hey guys, welcome to Cora Radar, your one-stop shop for tips and tricks in the digital world. Today we'll show you what to do when your iPhone camera roll video won't play. We rely on shooting videos to accomplish job tasks and share fun things with friends and family. So, when you find an iPhone is not playing videos in camera roll, this could drive you crazy. It sometimes shows a little loading circle to pretend the device is trying to load the video, but it never plays. In other times, an error message will pop up saying it's unable to play videos because of unsupported file format. As a result, you can neither watch the videos, nor send it through message, email or chat apps. Don't worry though, we'll tell you the causes and offer you the solution to get video to play on iPhone again. Why won't your videos play on iPhone camera roll? There are various reasons for why camera roll videos don't play. Here are some of the most common ones. The video format isn't compatible. The video files are corrupted, partially downloaded or too large to load. The operating system is glitched or outdated. The phone's internet connection is weak. The optimized storage option is turned on. The phone's storage space is running low. Now, follow me to walk through how to fix videos not playing on iPhone camera roll. They work for all iPhone models running from older iOS versions like iOS 12 to later iOS versions like iOS 18. Besides, if you have any questions, write it down in the comment below and we'll reply to you within 24 hours. Quit and reopen Photos app. Our first advice is simple. Close the Photos app to refresh it. Open the app switcher by swiping up from the bottom of the screen or double-clicking the home button. Locate the Photos app and swipe up its preview to close the app. After 30 seconds, tap to open the Photos app again. From the camera roll folder, tap the video that won't play and see if you can watch the video now. Check Wi-Fi network or turn on cellular data to play the videos saved on the cloud. A stable internet connection is required to download the video file from the cloud to the phone. Use either cellular data or Wi-Fi network to load and play the camera roll videos. If the video size is large, it's advised to use a wireless network with strong signal. Check if the video format is supported by iPhone. Videos won't play in iPhone camera roll if the file format isn't supported by the device. Such issues are common to occur for the videos downloaded from third-party platforms like Snapchat, Facebook, etc. To check the format of the video not playing on iPhone camera roll, follow these quick steps. Open the target video in the Photos app. Swipe up or tap the information icon. From the opening panel, the format should be displayed next to your phone model. For your reference, the iPhone doesn't support WMV, AVI, or MKV. Trim a second of the video. Some users claim at the forum that this step helps them load and play the video like magic. Just take a few seconds to give it a shot to see if the issue is resolved. Open the Photos app. Tap the video that's not playing on camera roll. Choose the edit icon. Make sure you're located at the video tab from the bottom. Drag the yellow slider on either side to select to trim 1 second of your video. Then, tap Done from the top right corner and select Save Video. Now, see if the video loads smoothly and you can play it. Duplicate the video on camera roll. This step helps refresh the videos if the files are corrupted or downloaded partially. Open the Photos app to go to camera roll. Tap the video that you want to play but it won't. From the top right corner, tap the 3 dots icon and hit Duplicate. Tap the new video you've duplicated, play it and it should work. Once you can play the new video, the original video could also work too. Disable the optimized storage feature. For camera roll videos saved on cloud-based service, the optimized storage feature will only display the thumbnails of the videos on the phone. That's why you try to play a video from the gallery but it always gets stuck with the loading icon. To toggle off the optimized storage feature, navigate to the Settings app. Tap your name at the top. Choose iCloud, then tap Photos. Tap Sync this iPhone, or if you use iOS 15 or earlier, turn on iCloud Photos. Next, select the Download and Keep Originals option. Once completed, go to the Photos app and locate the video that doesn't play in iPhone camera roll. It should now load properly on the device so you can watch it as normal. Migrate the video to a computer. When you can't play a video in iPhone camera roll, why not just send it to a computer to watch it? This also applies to videos that cannot be played because the file format is unsupported. We'll take a Windows PC as an example to show you how to do that. Use a USB cable to connect your phone to the computer. Then, open the File Explorer and locate your phone. Choose iPhone Storage, then select the folder named with the date you record the video. From there, Double-click the video to play it. Force your iPhone to reboot. The iPhone camera roll videos not playing problem sometimes might be the result of the malfunctioning phone software. If that's your case, consider force shut down the phone to resolve the performance issues and lag. To force restart an iPhone 8 or newer, quickly press the volume up key then release, and quickly press the volume down key then release. Press and hold the power key on the right side until an Apple logo appears. To force restart an iPhone 7, press the hold volume down key and power key until an Apple logo appears. To force restart an iPhone 6s or older, press and hold the home key and power key until an Apple logo appears. The whole process can take up to 20 seconds. If you mistakenly release the buttons when invited to slide power off, just repeat the steps to start again. After the phone reboots, see if you're able to access the videos and watch it normally. Free up enough space on the iPhone. Still wondering why you can't get the downloaded or recorded videos to play on iPhone camera roll? The device's storage might be full. To check how much storage is left on the iPhone, follow these quick steps. Navigate to the Settings app. Hit General. Tap iPhone Storage. In the opening panel, you'll see a breakdown of storage usage. If there is less than 5 GB space left, go and clear more storage space. For example, delete apps you no longer use, remove large attachments in iMessage, clear web browser and app cache, and so on. After that, remember to test if the videos can load and play smoothly now. Make sure your iPhone is running the latest iOS version. Running regular software updates is good for keeping an iPhone working properly. When you can't play videos from camera roll on iPhone, it's possible that the operating system is outdated. To upgrade iOS, follow these quick steps. Navigate to the Settings app. Tap on General. Choose Software Update. If an update is available, the new update version will appear within seconds, along with the size of download and other details. Just tap Download and install to start the update process. Once the update has finished, try playing the video to see if it works this time. And there you have it, folks. We've reached the end of our video on how to fix iPhone not playing videos in camera roll. Thank you for watching, and I hope this video is helpful for you. If you did, please consider liking and subscribing to our channel for more tech-related content. Until next time.